This is a Brooklyn-bound 2 train. The next stop is Wall Street.
Stand clear of the closing doors, please.
Fate whispers to the warrior, a storm is coming. And the warrior whispers back, I am the storm.
Your mission, if you choose to accept it, is to block out the narratives, including mine. Welcome back. This is Not Your Advisor with NYU Grad on Thursday, February 13th. Let's jump right into today's session. I do have a lot to cover. Let's cover breadth at the top of the hour. We had 532 new highs versus 168 new lows on the NYSE. 75% of stocks were advancing versus 21% declining. 42% were below the 50-day, not much change. And 42% were below the 200-day, not much change throughout the week on that. But we had a little bit of a bull orgasm in the afternoon. After I ate my sandwich, we were marginally up, but there was all this hype about the tariff meeting in the Oval Office, and it apparently was much ado about nothing. There was some reciprocal tariffs that were signed through executive orders and memorandums, and some of the big ones I think were delayed till April, but that was bullish. Again, these are all powerful narratives, moving markets. You want to focus on price action and breadth and treasury yields. I just really want you all to focus on price action versus the narratives, because there's just so much narratives going on. And if you're absorbing those narratives and headlines and news articles, even parts of my podcast, you want to do it in the context of entertainment. As you know, the primary focus of this podcast is to try to deliver just the essentials in 15 minutes or less for today's session in the markets, with no politics or advertising. That is the mission statement of this podcast. It's getting harder and harder to do. So if you see me deviate from this impossible mission, send me a note, leave a comment, say, hey, NYU grad, you're going off mission. Come back to neutrality. So please do that for me. Let's keep peeling this onion. We had, just looking at MegaCap, most, I would say all, of the Mag 7 were green. I'm recording this at 3:50 p.m., so I don't expect much change in 10 minutes. Microsoft was up 0.25%. NVIDIA up almost 3%. Apple was up 1.8%. Amazon was break-even, 0.07%. Tesla was up 5.5%. Meta, 0.25%. Alphabet, 1%. When you take a look at the sector analysis, every sector was green. Tariffs are bullish. So taking a quick look at sectors, you had basic materials up 1.6%, consumer cyclical 1.4%, tech 1.1%, real estate 1%, communication services 0.9%.
And to all our listeners out there, don't forget to subscribe to NotYourAdvisor.com for more deep dives just like this. We're here to help you navigate the crazy world of finance and investing.
You'll find tons of information and analysis to help you navigate these crazy times. Until next time, stay curious, stay informed, and stay engaged.